Ladies and gentlemen, I don't tell you say we dey use arrays save plenty data inside one box instead of writing them separately. Today, I go tell you how you go fit use your arrays for your programs. Sometimes you go wan use only one of the data wey dey your array. For this one now, you go can't reference that particular data using index notation. To access early data from your array, you go first write the name of the variable wey you take store your array, open square bracket, then write the notation of the position where that specific data fall for your array. To get the number, you will start your counting from 0. So the first data within your array na 0, the second one na 1, the third one na 2, the fourth one na 3, and the fifth one na 4. Even if you get 100 data for your array, the first one will be 0 and the last one will be 99. So if I want access this third data within my array, I go just write the variable name of my array, open square bracket, then the position of that data for the array, close square bracket. Anytime when you write them like this, that means you dey access that particular data. So instead of you to write plenty variable, you could not use this particular notation to access your data one by one. I could explain more programming concepts like this one for my next video, so make sure see you follow and like. Thank you for your attention to this matter.